Therefore, the Model 3 RoboCab currently costs less than $38,000, and we anticipate that figure will rise over time. The new battery pack is specifically made to last 1,000,000 miles and is likely to go into production next year. We'll just remove the pedals and steering wheels after you're done using them. We'll simply remove these sections when they lose significance; they won't exist. We might create an automobile without pedals or a steering wheel in 2 years, and we could simply remove pieces if we needed to speed up that time frame. It might turn out to be $25,000 or less. Our present rate is 42 M per qua, but we plan to raise it to 5 and higher. We have the largest fleet by far: in-house computer hardware, software development, AI, and vehicle design and manufacture. Tesla is expected to soar as a result of this robot taxi occurrence. Tesla has the potential to completely transform the transportation sector with its groundbreaking technologies, wise investments, and creative designs. We'll look at Tesla's big plans for their fleet of robot taxis, including its plan to sell and service millions of these cars. We'll explore the significant investments being made in Dojo and AI, as well as how these developments are establishing new benchmarks for the sector. But that's not all. Additionally, we'll talk about the regulatory environment and how Tesla is negotiating it to guarantee a seamless launch of their robot taxi service. We will also discuss the Cybercab, another Tesla concept that was influenced by the Cybertruck. We'll conclude by discussing the market conditions that have the potential to propel Tesla to unprecedented heights. So fasten your seatbelts and come along on this thrilling adventure as we explore how Tesla is influencing the direction of autonomous vehicles and propelling its stock to all-time highs. You won't want to miss this ride. Make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons first, though. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Now, let's begin this video. First, there's a lot of talk about how ready Tesla is to introduce its robot taxi feature. There have been rumors and hints of something that might revolutionize the field of autonomous driving. Imagine being driven around without a human being's assistance when you tap your phone to request a Tesla RoboCab. It's a daring idea, and Tesla may be prepared to reveal it. At this event, there is also conjecture that Tesla would reveal a big alliance. This leads us to our next point. There have been some intriguing recent developments that raise the possibility of a partnership between Tesla and BYD, a significant Chinese automaker. BYD, one of the top producers of electric vehicles in China, has shown a strong desire to collaborate with Tesla. The CEO of BYD has been very forthright about this prospect, which might have significant implications for both businesses. Combining BYD's manufacturing expertise with Tesla's state-of-the-art autonomous technology might hasten the transition to complete autonomy and greatly increase profitability. This collaboration might be a calculated strategy to control the worldwide EV industry. Let's now discuss the AI event's focal point, which is the introduction of Tesla's first car without conventional controls. Yes, you heard correctly. Production of this innovative car is anticipated to begin in late 2025. It's a daring move toward a future with complete autonomy. Imagine an automobile that has no pedals or steering wheel, just a sleek, simple design that is solely concerned with the amusement and comfort of its occupants. A live demonstration of how this car functions in actual situations will be provided by Tesla. It's a preview of how mobility will develop in the future. This action has the potential to completely transform the automotive sector. These cars are powered by Tesla's supercomputer, which pushes the boundaries of autonomous driving technology. However, enormous power also carries a huge deal of responsibility and raises some serious issues. Tesla's supercomputer's power usage has drawn criticism. Experts are concerned that this high demand would lead to a bottleneck that would affect our energy resources and possibly delay the general adoption of these cutting-edge automobiles. To guarantee a seamless transition to an AI-driven future, Tesla will need to address these power consumption issues. Innovation and sustainability must be balanced. Next up is Franz von Holzhausen, the creative force behind Tesla's most recent designs. Von Holzhausen's dedication to refining the architecture of Tesla's robotaxi since 2018 demonstrates his skill and sustained commitment. By pushing the limits of traditional automotive design, his creative approach has not only defined the robocab, but also had an impact on the larger EV market. Other manufacturers are eager to follow the new norms that von Holzhausen if technological skill. Let's now discuss the Cybercab, Tesla's most recent venture into the ride-hailing industry. This vehicle, which was inspired by the Cybertruck, has a tough body made of stainless steel and puts functionality and longevity over appearance. The interior of the Cybercab feels surprisingly roomy for such a little car. By making this astute design decision, Tesla is able to reduce the cost per mile and maintain an effective range while utilizing less batteries. Delivering the most value at the lowest cost is the main goal. With its emphasis on cost effectiveness, the Cybercab is poised to become a major player in the ride-hailing market and provide a viable and affordable urban transportation choice. Many people are wondering if Tesla would run its own fleet of Cybercabs or sell them to other businesses. The market and Tesla's business plan will be significantly impacted by this choice. It is essential that Tesla's roadmap and ramp-up timeline be made clear. It takes a clear plan to launch in several locations, and we're all excited to see how Tesla plans to implement this groundbreaking service. The secret to Tesla's success in the market for robot taxis will be knowing which cities will be the first to adopt the technology and how fast it can grow. Next, let's discuss the upcoming major Tesla repricing announcement. This repricing will depend on a number of things, including fleet caps and the number of cities where the robotaxi service will begin. There will probably be a rush to lower discount rates for Tesla's robot taxi service due to impending events like new city launches and regulatory approvals. Investor mood and Tesla's valuation may be greatly impacted by this. For comparison, in order to launch a robot taxi service in a major city like Chicago, Tesla will require about 100,000 vehicles. Some U.S. states are excellent candidates for early deployment because they already have laws that are favorable to autonomous vehicles. Because of their favorable laws and dense populations, the top 10 U.S. states have a lot greater potential for robot taxi services. Tesla may be able to scale its operations more effectively with this strategic focus. Let's finally talk about the regulatory environment. Regulation is a constant worry, but it might not be a major obstacle to Tesla's aspirations for robot taxis. Since several states have already passed legislation allowing for autonomous vehicles, Tesla's route will be easier. Additionally, Tesla can lessen possible regulatory issues as they increase manufacturing and disperse their cars around states. The effective launch of their robot taxi service will depend heavily on this proactive strategy. In the long run, Tesla intends to oversee a fleet of about 10 million automobiles. These cars will be sold off when they get older, enabling Tesla to keep adding the newest models to its fleet. It's interesting to note that Tesla may offer these cars straight to consumers. Anyone can now purchase a robot taxi-ready car in a completely new market, perhaps increasing their impact and reach even further. Strategic planning and execution are necessary to maintain such a vast fleet, but doing so might establish Tesla as a market leader for autonomous vehicles. Let's move on to discuss Tesla's huge investment in AI and Dojo technology. Tesla is investing billions to build their AI infrastructure and Dojo supercomputer. Elon Musk recently explained that of the approximately $10 billion they plan to spend this year, half will go to Dojo and internal AI infrastructure, while the other half will go to NVIDIA. Tesla's dedication to spearheading the advancement of AI and autonomous driving technology is demonstrated by this significant investment. The development of sophisticated training chips and data centers will be essential to increasing the intelligence and efficiency of Tesla's automobiles. Of course, there are problems with every technology. Tesla admits that there are times when AI service providers experience outages. Recent instances of this serve as a reminder of how crucial dependability is for AI services. There is discussion about releasing AI models like XI open source in order to address these problems. This action might revolutionize the way developers use AI technology by giving them more stability and adaptability. By making these models available, programmers from around the globe may enhance and contribute to AI, creating more dependable and resilient systems. Because developers may build on each other's work rather than begin from zero, this collaborative approach would speed up innovation. Additionally, open source AI models provide transparency, enabling users to comprehend how the models work and guaranteeing their responsible and ethical use. Additionally, since independent developers and smaller businesses can now access robust AI tools without having to pay the exorb